So this is going to be a really quick video just to talk about how you're going to submit your photos. I mentioned a little bit already that we're changing how we're doing it because the pages you were putting them on before we're actually needing to use now to create the book as our spring break deadline is approaching. So you still need to be taking all of your photos, obviously, so the 100 or so photos that you take for your assignments, you need to go through them, of course, and choose the very best ones, the ones that turned out best from that event, that club, whatever, and you'll still need to upload them to StudioWorks. And the way that you do that hasn't changed. So you're still going to go into the content section. If I can not typo. You'll still go into contents. You'll still go into the general staff. You'll still go in and find the club you're looking for. If it doesn't exist here, then you'll make a new folder for it. So like maybe robotics, and then inside of that, like you see here, then you should be creating a folder that has, once again, the club name, but then also your name. And then here you would upload them, just like we've been doing before, or like people should have been doing before. Make sure you get them in the right place so you can see these two are in the wrong spot, and those aren't the only ones. You can see some other people have uploaded stuff into the wrong places. I want to see them in the right spot, because what you're going to do is once you have them in the right place, I'm not uploading anything right now, but I could do it down here with import. Once I've done that, and let's say I have the art photos, and I have, maybe the best 10 to 20, not all of them. I don't need a billion photos of a picture of yarn. But once you have just the best 10 to 20 photos from all the photos you took, then let's see if there's a different one. Yeah, these numbers are a little bit closer to what we're looking for. There's still a lot of photos that are almost the exact same, so choose the best one. But once you have them, go ahead and take a screenshot of what you've uploaded. Actually, I don't want it that big. I want it bigger because I want to see that you have your folder set up properly. So I want you to have this whole window, and then go into like Safari, go into Google Drive. You could use Pages as well if you want. It doesn't have to be Google, so you could use Pages. Either way, you're going to create a document. In it, put your name, what you took photos of, the due date, 5th is the first one coming up, and then insert your image that you just took. So that'd be the second one, because the first one I didn't take a big enough picture and you couldn't see the folder set up, so there you go. Now, as far as like the captions go, who's in the photo, you can do this one of two ways, but I want to see it either way. So either choose your best 5 to 10 photos and add each one of those photos to this document, and then write, who's in it. So if I just inserted a photo here, and we can pretend that this is something better, and pretend that this is actual people, we could say Philip works on the newest challenge, having his robots drive to a point, pick up a ball, and return with it using the EV3 robots. something like that. Of course, we'd need his full name, so maybe we'll pretend his name is Philip Scott. Of course, there's no one in this picture, but you know, you'd make it match. The other option is to instead do that in the photo themselves. So if I double click, I can add it here. Either way is fine, but I want to see it. So if you do it here, then just take a screenshot and then add that screenshot to your document. So that way I can see that you are still collecting the information of who's in the photo, because that's important. Once you're done with that and you have that information in here for the your best, I don't know, maybe 10 to 15 photos, then do File, Download As, a PDF right here, and it will let you choose where to, well, it'll take it to your downloads folder, and it's going to be called whatever the name of your document is. Mine's Untitled because I didn't title my document. Then go to Yearbook and then upload it to the assignment, the task assignment in your yearbook class. If you're doing pages, you can do the same thing. You just go to File, Export instead. And if you need help with that, let me know. I can help you.